and this is how this was conceived. So, Brett, take it away.
So first of all, the thing that it needed was a super slick two-tone finish. And the thing that I really liked about it is they were able to make that silver.
עכשיו בדיוק ג'ו שלח לי הודעה שהוא עובד לילות וזה, והוא אמר שהוא מתקשר עליו בערב, אני עכשיו בודק איתו, הוא שלח לו את הקופון.
Yes, sir. Make sure I'm in my frame. Woo! Yes, sir. Flat.
We knew he was going with that.
Yep.
Woo!
This is it. That's the one.
We knew he was going with that.
Woo! This is it. Cheat code. I love it. You got it.